at the Chandigarh Civil Services. We are based on the ground floor of the Dainik Bhaskar building in Sector 25D, Chandigarh. So you can see here, this is our industrious team. Over the years, we have trained many aspirants who wish to crack the civil services examination. And when they got into the pattern of the law entrance examinations, we figured out that over the years it has changed from static to current, and that is what our forte is. And that is why I introduced to you the syllabus and the approach with which all our staff would help you crack the law entrance examinations. Now, in order to get into any law school, you have to crack these exams. And these are the list of the few. On the 1st of May 2022, we have the NLU Delhi's exam that is called AILET. On 8th May 2022, we have the CLAT exam, which helps you get into various national law universities. Apart from that, Army Institute of Law is based in Mohali. OP Jindal University and Symbiosis, they will be having their exams in the month of May 2022. And Punjab University, Christ University, Delhi University or UPES Dehradun, it will be having its exam in the month of June 2022. So these are the two major exams that most of the aspirants focus on. And the syllabus is so holistic that if you cater to this particular syllabus, you'll be able to crack any of the influences that you're applying for. We would like to introduce you to the pattern of CLAT. So CLAT, there are roughly 150 questions that are asked. The duration is 120 minutes. And yes, for CLAT we do have a negative marking. And these are the average questions from various topics that are asked. ये change होते रहते हैं. इनकी weightage ऊपर नीचे चलती रहती है. For example, legal aptitude में CLAT में 40 to 50 questions आते हैं. जो current affairs है, which also includes the legal current affairs, उसमें 40 to 50 आ जाते हैं. English में 35 to 40 की range में questions होते हैं. Quantitative aptitude, which is domain in mathematics, that is 17 to 20 questions. And logical reasoning has 28 to 30 questions और कई बार 40 questions भी आ जाते हैं. So जो total है अपने पास 150 का है. And here we see that CLAT 2022 की जो exam है, एक तो May 8th को है. Apart from that, we have another date announced already, that is December 18th, 2022. And now if we come to AILET, this is the National Law University Delhi's exam. So here we have 150 questions for which you get just 90 minutes. But here we do not have the negative marking. और जो इसका average है of 7 years अगर हम देखे चले, तो इसमें legal aptitude में 35 questions आते हैं, GK current affairs 35 questions, English 35 questions, quantitative aptitude 10, logical reasoning 35. But here again the weightage will vary. And इसका जो exam है, like I told you before, it's on May 1st, 2022. Now here I'd like to introduce you to the syllabus. अगर हम legal aptitude की बात करें, तो जो legal awareness है, उसमें majorly हमें legal terms आती हैं. जो constitutional law है, that is there, and legal GK. अब, do you have to mummify so many lists of words? No. जो the Hindu की जो legal language है, majorly that is what is asked in the CLAT exams. तो अगर आप regularly newspaper पढ़ रहे हैं, you'll be able to crack it. But how will we assist you? We will be sharing the current affairs and then we'll be introducing you to the application of the legal terms, which also includes various Latin and Greek maxims. Constitutional law कुछ competitive exams के लिए हमें direct questions आ जाते हैं, but CLAT में हमें ज़्यादातर application based आते हैं. And legal GK में हमारे जो कोई recent bills हैं, amendments हैं, that is asked. अगर हम legal reasoning की बात करें, law of torts, civil law, criminal law, etc., they have been provided to us in the syllabus. तो इसमें हमारे पास principles होते हैं. There are certain principles that will be explained to you in the class. और फिर आपको questions दिए जाएंगे to check if you are able to apply. Because CLAT is completely application based exam. Moving further, करें तो ना सिर्फ क्लैट के लिए बल्कि PU, Delhi University, etc. all these exams, for that static GK is very important. If you can see history, polity, geography, science, economy, general awareness, all these come under the ambit of static GK. और ये जो static GK है क्लैट में ज़्यादा नहीं आता, but for other exams, let's say पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी का जो entrance exam है उसमें these questions are asked. And our experts would give you certain workshops to simplify these for you, so that in a very interesting manner you can remember the historical timeline, etc. And then you will be given questions that can be asked in the question paper. और जो current affairs है, इसमें जो हमारे पास सबसे important चीज़ है वो है हमारे bills, कोई भी amendments है, that would be relevant for us. जैसे अभी winter session हुआ तो बहुत सारे bills आए, so that is what we have to cater to. कोई कमेटी बनती है या फिर कोई कमीशन बैठ रही है किसी चीज़ को, कुछ कोई इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ डिसाइड करने के लिए, जैसे भी क्रिप्टो करेंसी, वो कमेटी या वो कमीशन इंपॉर्टेंट होगी. एंड अदर मिसलेनियस करंट अफेयर्स. नाउ वी हियर एट आवर Chandigarh Civil Services Academy, from the past many years our teachers, they have been training the youth to read the newspaper, to imbibe the current affairs with whatever topics they are reading. तो यहाँ पर एक थ्योरी और एक करंट अफेयर्स का लिंक करके आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा. अगर हम इंग्लिश की बात करें, ये हम थोड़ा हल्के में लेते हैं, बट कॉम्प्रिहेंशंस, देयर आर 450 वर्ड्स कॉम्प्रिहेंशन बट विद सच रिफाइंड वोकैबुलरी. इसमें हमारे पास ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं, व्हाट इज द सेंट्रल थीम ऑफ द पैसेज, या फिर क्वेश्चंस लाइक दिस इज द सिचुएशन, व्हाट वुड द ऑथर डू in this particular situation. So here a lot of practice is needed. So we would tailor make the passages for you. अगर आप IELTS देखेंगे तो उनके passages बहुत बड़े होते हैं, CAT का देखेंगे बहुत मुश्किल होते हैं. So for CLAT we would tailor make comprehensions for you that you can practice, and then we would discuss कि are you able to attempt it right? Are we able to understand? कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम passage अपने point of view से पढ़ते हैं, but what we need to understand is the author's point. वोकैबुलरी में तो क्लैट में शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, कई बार तो डायरेक्टली मीनिंग ही पूछ लेते हैं. एंड द वोकैबुलरी दैट यू कम अक्रॉस इन द न्यूज़पेपर द हिंदू वुड बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो अगर आप पढ़ रहे हैं, एडिटोरियल पढ़ रहे हैं, डेली आपको 4-5 ऐसे वर्ड्स तो मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे, व्हिच वुड बी न्यू फॉर यू. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, फॉर वोकैबुलरी वी वुड सिंप्लीफाई इट बाय गिविंग यू वेरियस वर्कशीट्स, जिसमें प्रैक्टिकली हम देखेंगे. जैसे वर्डपाल made easy, there's one amazing book, there is another book word origins. So we would see कि question paper point of view के लिए what all words would be relevant, and we would give you worksheets for the same. Synonyms, antonyms, कुछ spellings हैं, they are asked. Idioms भी पूछ लेते हैं. अब ये idioms कौन से हैं जो हमें newspaper में या कोई journalistic source है, magazines वगैरह में, those are the idioms. You don't have to mug up file list of various idioms for this exam. Then one word substitution भी पूछा जाता है, या फिर any order. अगर हम ग्रामर की बात करें तो क्लैट की वेबसाइट बोलती है कि ग्रामर इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट. सैम्पल पेपर्स में तो ग्रामर के क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं, और कुछ साल हमें एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर में ग्रामर के ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं मिलते. बट दीज आर सर्टेन टॉपिक्स व्हिच आर इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. Learning Martin is the book that has been recommended by the CLAT website. Now, for that, we would again simplify it for you. We would introduce you the rules of grammar so that you don't have to go through the entire book. क्योंकि वो आपके लिए थोड़ा heavy हो जाएगा इस point of time के लिए. तो some important rules would be introduced to you. Thereafter, we would ask you to solve certain questions. Now, coming to mathematics or quantitative aptitude. So इसमें शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आते हैं. हम में से ज़्यादा लोग लॉ इसलिए लेते हैं क्योंकि हमें मैथ्स और साइंस नहीं पढ़ना. बट फॉर द एंट्रेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दीज टॉपिक्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और कई बार NCERT के कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स तो डायरेक्टली आ जाते हैं क्वेश्चन पेपर में. सो एवरेज, सिंप्लीफिकेशन, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, टाइम, वर्क एंड डिस्टेंस, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन, प्रोबेबिलिटी, पार्टनरशिप, एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम, सर्च एंड एनालिसिस. तो आपको शायद इफ यू नॉट स्टडी मैथमेटिक्स इन 11th and 12th थोड़ा नॉस्टैल्जिक लगेगी हाँ 10th में करा था. But here at the CCS we cater to CSAT part, whereby हमारे जो aspirants हैं civil services के उनको CSAT की preparation करनी होती है. So our experts will tell you the tips and tricks. They will tell you like, okay, probability, these are the few things that you need to know, and these are the tips and tricks to solve the question. So by knowing those and with little bit practice, you'll be easily able to attempt these questions. क्योंकि हमारे लॉ के एग्जाम्स में जो क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड है उसका लेवल क्लास 10 तक का ही होता है. लॉजिकल रीजनिंग इज समथिंग दैट यू जनरली माइट नॉट हैव प्रिपेयर्ड जब तक आपने कोई एग्जाम ना दिया हो. So series, analogy, Venn diagrams, blood relations, sitting arrangements, distance and directions, statement assumptions, cause effect, all these have been asked over the years. Data interpretation के भी हमारे पास questions आ जाते हैं जिसमें various bars are asked and you are asked to interpret the data. Then you have logical deductions. Now this is also an important part. CLAT में थोड़ा कम weightage है इसकी, but for other competitive exams of law entrance is very relevant. तो आपको थोड़ा overwhelming लग रहा होगा. So that is where our experts would simplify it. हमारी क्या tendency रहती है, अच्छा ये कर लिया ये छोड़ देते हैं. But there you need to go completely prepared. And that is why जो हमारे CSAT के टीचर हैं CCS के, they have taken this initiative that they would simplify it, they break it down for you and make it so easy कि ये questions because इनके answers में confusion नहीं होता. अगर आपको आता है तो आता है, नहीं आता तो नहीं आता. So they would simplify it for you to the extent that you do not leave these questions. Now what next? So I can understand a few of you are preparing in your boards exam. And that is why you would have an induction program of 1.5 hours on every Sunday. So you just have to attend it once. And this is the contact number whereby you can call or WhatsApp to book your session for the induction. In this induction, we will tell you what you can do for 1 hour every day. So that जब तक आपके बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स होते हैं, you are in touch with the format of this exam, you know, the track on which to start walking. ताकि जैसे ही आपके बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स हो, after a little break, you can come here, join us, and completely surrender yourself for that gap time. ताकि आपको कोई gap year ना लेना पड़े in order to get into a law university. So with this, we are signing off. Hope to see you on the other end.